For today's art project, we are going to be using the primary colors of red, yellow, and blue. I'm going to start by putting one hand on one side of my paper and tracing it with a black crayon. Make sure you get all the way between your fingers. Now I'm going to switch hands. I'm going to trace my other hand on the other side of my paper with my black crayon, making sure to get all the way between my fingers. Now I'm going to use my primary colors of red, yellow, and blue to color inside of my hands and my fingers. I can maybe change colors and put a different color on each finger, and maybe I can even try to make a pattern or a design with my primary colors. Just make sure you're coloring solid and neatly, going back and forth in the same direction to try to keep your coloring nice and even. Make sure you don't miss any spots. Color both hands completely. Once you have colored both hands completely, you can now start thinking about what you might want to do for your background. Let's take some time and decorate our background. I'm going to decorate my background with polka dots. Polka dots are fun to draw, and I'm going to make my polka dots with my 3 primary colors. That's right, we are still using only the 3 primary colors of red, yellow, and blue. Also in our background design. Can I use orange? Nope. Can I use green? No way. Can I use pink? Not today, because we are only using our 3 primary colors of red, yellow, and blue. Once your work is all done, go ahead, take a picture of it, upload it, share it, and celebrate all the wonderful things that you have accomplished today.